What is up, guys? I'm back again. I know this is a sudden rush. I wasn't about to actually take a vlog about this, but I went here with Arsen, one of my colleagues in Panay Bird Club, and a few weeks ago I spotted an osprey at Esplanade. I posted it in the group and he told me that there was a nest in this woodlands and wetlands in Mandurriao. So we went over here and guess what we spotted? That osprey. And dive sa pre? And we are going to take a photo of it right now. So I'm just going to take a video of this just to remember this majestic moment, and I will show you using the 90D on the video on how it hunts and how it looks like. I'm just going to focus on taking photos now. Enjoy this video. I think I have the photo in my camera now. What a great time. That was my first great photo of a bird of prey, exactly. Arsen is still taking in the fact that we just had that experience. It got one fish and it's probably going back to its nest now, but I'm pretty sure it's going to go back in a few moments, because usually when they hunt, males are the one who go out and then they have to bring the fish to the female. And then they have to go back and hunt again. So I think I'm going to wait for a few hours and we'll see what happens. So first part is that we stayed over there because a few years ago when Arsen went over here, there was a nest of the osprey over there, so that's where we went. But apparently that's where the osprey started to hunt, and somewhere over there a few kilometers away is his nest. So we're going to find a spot over there. He actually fell over here in this small bridge in the wood. One of the woods broke down and we both fell. So it's ruined now. We're going to attempt to go back here again. We have this spot over here. We're going to wait for the osprey to come back over there and we'll see. But for now, I have to experience trying to die again. So let's go. Ooh, it's spinning. Please don't break. Okay, I made it. Arsen's over there. It was definitely one of the best and most adrenaline pumped experience I've had with birding. So I'm just gonna wait here for a few more hours and I hope that osprey returns. If it does, I'm going to get back at you. For the moment, check these photos out. have arrived now at the spot where I'm about to wait for the osprey bird. Fun fact, I'm starting to use the ghillie suit now, which is also great because I'm using the white sand colored camouflage pants, which perfectly blends on where I'm sitting at right now. And then I have a tree behind me, which is also the same color as this. So I hope this will help me hide from the osprey later. In the meantime, we're just here enjoying some view of the different types of birds that are enjoying their moments here at the wetlands. Arson is leaving now. Bro, if you're watching this, thank you for the time of showing me the spot. I am now actually alone, and I have nothing to do the entire day. I reserve this schedule for birding only, so I'm going to focus on that. I'm going to wear the face mask now since I'm not going to be talking with anyone. I'm just going to wait until the osprey arrive. So I probably have 2 more hours or more until something shows up or nothing shows up. So we'll see. I'll focus on the video now. Guys, it's back. It's back. It's far away from there. I hope it turns again. It's turning. I'm gonna focus on shooting now. It is still out of my range, so it's over there. I think it just passed by. Please come back. Please come back. Okay, it started to turn. Okay, it's on its way here. Some of the birds are kind of panicking. It's hunting over there. Well, it did hunt over here earlier. So I hope it'll go back in here. Because it would suck if it started hunting over there and I have to go back over there. So Okay, I'm gonna transfer over there now. I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go. Can't seem to find it anymore, but I will, so let's go. Okay, it's still there. I'm actually running now. I'm a bit closer to it now, but I'm out of breath and it's now returning to the first place where I was, so I guess I'm gonna go back there again. Let's go. He's about 500 meters away from me and he just started diving like crazy, so I hope he doesn't catch food yet so I can still take a photo of that, because once an osprey catches food, he leaves the area immediately. So I'm rushing my way over there now. It changed location once again. Now on the way back to where I started to wait for it. So this is one hellish of a hard game to do, especially the bird prey. This bird of prey, the osprey, is a very rare find here in my area. It's back to the second place where it was, so I just hope it doesn't get anything yet. I'm going back all over there. This time I'm just gonna walk. It's in front of me now. I just decided to stop here and we'll see if it gets close. 600 mil, man, 600 mil. I need a 600 mil. Please don't hunt anything yet, birdie. Ah, it's transferring again. Such a majestic bird, such a majestic bird. It's about 200 meters up in the sky. Bird of prey are definitely the types of birds that a goal for me to take a photo of. I'm so in love with these birds that I'm starting to actually consider falconry as another hobby. I'm going to transfer there. He's all the way back. Oh my god, this bird is killing me. Let's go. More hustle. Where is it? Just disappeared. I think it landed or something. Can't see it. Okay, I'm just gonna go over there. Either way. Well, at least I've got some photos in the bag now. But I still want to get closer to get a better shot, so we'll see. The osprey just disappeared, you guys. It was hovering around for about like 15 minutes and now it just disappeared. It didn't fly off. I'm pretty sure it just landed to take a break, but I'm not sure yet. Where are you? You know what? I'm starting to consider to take off this ghillie suit now because I'm defeating its purpose. I'm running around looking for it, so it's pointless to wear this one. Plus it's freaking hot, so I'm gonna take it off. Let's go down the shade first. Okay, I found it. It's back. I'm gonna continue shooting now. One of the things that I like about the Osprey is the way it hunts. Now, what the Osprey does is that it hovers around a river or a pond, spots for a fish, and once it spots for a fish, it folds its wing backwards and then glides all the way down. It dives so fast, and then once it's almost at the ground, he will put his feet front and elevate his arms to the back, and he'll actually dive down the water like a whiskered tern or a kingfisher, but not as deep as a kingfisher. But it will dive almost in its entire body down the water. And once it catches that fish, the hunt is not yet done. He usually, or she usually, has a struggle with the fish, because the moment it grabs of the fish will fight for its life at the same time. So you'll be able to see in the video that the fish is actually giving the Osprey a tough fight. Also, one of the great things that I like, or techniques that the Osprey does, is that when it's full of water, it shakes like a dog mid-air. Usually shake their entire body to get rid of that water. The Osprey does that as well. You can see it on this video. It's crazy, man. Fantastic bird, superb. What a great time. I wish I could stay much more longer, but I just can't wait to go home and edit these files and edit these photos anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Plus, this place doesn't have a proper hide or anything like that, so I don't get to relax while I'm waiting. Point of going outdoors is to experience the wilderness and a little bit of struggle, but I don't think I can have it right here. Sorry, I'm starting when I'm talking because I'm observing some birds near. Still a lot of species to take photos of, but we'll see. As you can see, I haven't put the camera in yet, because you never know what might come up. So I wasn't able to take a much more closer shot, but the bird finally caught a fish. Now it's going back probably to a place where it's going to eat it, or the nest. So it's not actually going to eat over here, it's somewhere over there. So it might take a few more hours again for it to come back. But then again, it was an amazing experience. At least I know now where this bird is usually, and I'm going to remember this day pretty much. It's still hovering over there, but it's way far from where I am now. I like it when it keeps on gliding like that, but still it's going to eat somewhere else. I think I'm going to call it a day now. Till the next vlog, I hope you enjoyed this one. This was not prepared. I didn't plan this to happen, so that's why I just started recording the video. Until next time, like, subscribe, and share. It's just right there. I don't know if you guys are playing Assassin's Creed, but it's hovering over the church, and it just gives me that vibe. Alright, it's gone now, so till the next video.